have been craving pepperoni breadsticks, but you know, I'm back on the wagon and I've lost over 220 pounds. So I don't do that. I take something that maybe I'm craving that's not as good for me and make something that's a little better in calories and not as bad for me, right? Okay, so I use half of a lavash bread, and then I just use a light string cheese. This is going to be the easiest thing you ever did see. You know me, I'm all about easy stuff because I'm a little lazy, okay? A lot of it lazy sometimes. I'm tired when I come home from work, okay? I'm exhausted. Okay, turkey peps. I usually do like half a serving of those, which is like between 8 and 10, whatever you want, okay? And then I do a little Parmesan cheese flavored sawdust. And then I roll it. You know, roll it with the homies. Y'all always laugh when I do that, but that is my favorite movie, Clueless. Okay, I roll it. And then I usually have like a little bit extra of the bread. And I take that and I tear it apart. I put this in the air fryer for like 6 minutes on 375. I throw these in too and I eat them with some salsa. Hold still. Got my pepperoni and cheese roll-up still cooking. Told you. I use my little extra lavash pieces and eat it with salsa while I'm waiting. That crunches everything. This is my favorite salsa. I know I'm weirdo, but it's so good. I could eat that for an entire meal. Now I gotta have a dip. So I do a little bit of Rayo's marinara just because it's lower in sugar. I air fried it on 375 for about 6-7 minutes, something like that. I like mine a little crunchy, okay? She gonna have a little crunch to her. I like texture. So, little pepperoni and cheese roll-up kind of reminds me of a stuffed pepperoni breadstick. Cheese pull. Gorgina.